Hello and welcome back again in this new video. Let's begin and start our campaign. You are able to see here my ad copy and we will be posting free ad today. Let's begin. You have to come to this site which is adfreeposting.com. It's a classified network where you can post free ads, even paid ads if you have budget. So let's get started. Just create your account. It's easy and simple. I won't take you through that. Let's click on post an ad. Now here you have to choose your category. Let me choose, as you had already seen that it's a gift, so services, education, job, home and lifestyle. Yes, this is the one, gift stationery. Click on next step. Here you have to choose the plan that you are willing to go with. We will go with the free one. If you wish, you can choose either amongst these 4 plans and then click on choose plan. Now start your ad creation. Title, let's copy that and paste it over here. Select all the words and then paste it over here. I will copy the URL and then paste it over here. Okay, now it is fine. Current window and then submit. Let's bold this whole sentence. Now it is fine. Here is our link, affiliate link. Pricing, we will go with 0 pricing. Country, I will select United States. You can go with any of the countries that you are willing to promote or your offer is telling you to do. Now I will need go with Texas or New York. Yes, New York. Zip code 1, it is fine, 10001. WhatsApp number I will leave it. Ad type, uh, it's offering. Website, yes, let's put the website over here. This is the website affiliate link and then click on next. Now you have to choose an image here. For that we will go to Google and here I have searched already with the term Bitcoin. This is not the one, I won't go with this. Bitcoin. Let me see this one. Enter here. Yes, this is the one I will go with. Copy the image and then paste it here. Our image is ready. I will take another one also. This one. Copy and then paste it here. You can put 3 images. I will go with 2. Next step. Here I won't do anything plan for 100 days, 0, none. Okay, click on none. If you wish, you can pay gold $2 and silver they are asking $1. If you can pay, if you don't have money, then just click none and then next step. So this is our ad copy. Gift stationery, $100 Bitcoin gift card, collect, and then this is our link, and here is also our affiliate link. It is done. Now what we will do, this is our image. This is where you have to click approve ad. Your ad is published. You can view your listing here. Return to your account. Yes, I have published till now 1 ad. So when you will get total hits, means when a views is there in your account, you will able to see the statistics of your ad. In this, when you will click recent ad, see you are able to see your own ad here, and it is listed now.